We're gonna make a single lei today, and this is a really good one to do with children. And it's a good basic first time event for those that are just learning how to work with these particular flowers. So plumerias are like the easiest lei to make a lei, way to make a lei. So you'll take your needle and you're gonna tie a knot. I'm gonna start here by starting to wrap it around my finger, and then I'm going to stick that one in that way. So it's only one loop, and then you don't want it too close to the end. Just tie it like that. You want it small because this one is going into the needle, the hook. And here's the hook. There. So don't have it on this side because obviously it will slip off, but people do. So just so you know, it has to anchor in the needle. A simple knot that is as simple as you can make it. And you're gonna hook it into the end. There's a hook on the end. It's not an eye, like a regular sewing needle. And then when you put your flower on the lei, you're gonna put it in from this direction and just go straight through. Don't go backwards, that's backwards. If it's hard, it's not meant for this lei. Anyway, so you go straight through the center, straight up the stem, and then just continue to add a few of them, 3 or 4, or as big as your hand would be. A child maybe 1 or 2. So then you take your needle and your hand, you can cup it over the leis, the flowers, and then you pull them down over. You make sure you pull it. I did not make a knot at the end here. I do make the knot at the beginning, but I didn't make it in the end for the single lei. But that's because I have it laid out on a table. If you're in a position where you have to drape it off the end, then you would need to put a knot in it. But I prefer, normally when I'm doing single leis, I'm doing it for speed because we have a lot going out. So I don't tie a knot, I just lay them out on the table. Okay, I'm coming to the end here, and this looks like about the right amount of string to have left over. One thing you might want to check is just kind of check them and make sure you've got all the gaps. See, I had a few gaps there, and you want them packed in there so that you can get as many flowers on as you can get on there, so you're less likely to have gaps later. Okay, now we're going to tie the knot. This is important. A child might need your help, mom or whoever. Okay, so how you grab both ends of the string and you cross the one over and loop it around, and you're going to pull it right into the center there. And then you're going to tie it. Again, you could tie a square knot, but I like to tie 4. Okay, now this is going to have to be shoved back in there. Okay, so now just snip it. Don't cut it too close, but not too long either. I don't like them coming untied. All right, so here is the single lei.